Are you still using ChatGPT for your copywriting needs? I know it's a popular tool, but it is not designed for writing high-converting copy. Stop using ChatGPT, it's killing your conversions. Instead, use this powerful tool that can skyrocket your traffic and sales by 10x in record time. Copy Machina, a powerful, contextual, emotionally intelligent copy software skyrocket 10x your traffic and sales in record time. Without any copy skills, without writing prompts, and without monthly fee. Copy Machina creates unlimited, high-converting, tone-based emotional marketing copies for your blogs, websites, videos, emails, ads, social media posts, e-com products, and beyond, in any niche, any language. There's no need to be a copywriting guru to use it. But the best part of it all is that with the free commercial license, you can sell a high-converting copy to clients and make big profits. All you have to do is log in and select from over 33 plus predefined, automated copywriting templates for all your marketing needs. Enter a few keywords, select your preferences, creativity, emotional tone, and the AI will automatically generate your high-converting copy in seconds. Use as it is or add your personal touch, make it unique, authentic, and watch your sales and traffic skyrocket. Plus, starting today, you can get lifetime access and free updates forever. Ditch mediocre results and unleash the full potential of your business. Get ready to get your hands on this beast for a one-time fee. Visit the link in the description box to check it out now.